Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Shopify account. First, we need to go to shopify.com. On the home page, you'll see a banner at the top. On the right side of this banner, there's a button that says Start Free Trial. Click on this button and you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here you can connect using email, Google, Apple, Facebook, or log in if you already have an account. I'll choose to set up with email. I'll enter my email and create a password for this account. After entering your email and password, click Create Shopify Account. Your Shopify account will be created instantly. It's that easy. You get a free 3-day trial to set up your store, but you can also sign up for a plan now with 3 days free before charging. For the first month, you'll only pay $1. Let's click the Select Plan button above to open the plans page. It shows the plan cost, $1 for the first 3 months, and above that, the regular price you'll pay from the second month on. Here you can choose your plan. I'll use the basic one, which is enough to create our store. I'll click Select Basic. Now enter payment detail. You can use a credit or debit card or PayPal. I'll use a credit card. After filling in the details, go to the right and click the Sign Up button. After entering payment info, it'll ask for your business address. Just fill in the address details and you're all set for all the data. Just go to the right side and click Save Business Address. Great. You've now successfully created your Shopify account and can start setting up to sell. The homepage shows options like adding products, editing your store, adding a domain, configuring shipping, store name, and payments, and finally launching your store. You'll need to set all this up. There's a guide here and Host2B has videos to help you. But now you've successfully created your Shopify account. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.